Good morning. Right now we will see how to develop the form, and we need to transfer the data from form to the OAF page. This we will call as OAF form to OAF transition. Data is there in the form and we should be transferred to the OAF page. For that we need to download the template.fmd from the server. It will be available in 8 of forms folder. We need to download from the 8 of forms folder. We need to make the form path for that. Without form path it will give some errors, PLS errors it will give. We will click on the window and delete the window name called block name, then create the new window and style is XX window. After that create the canvas, delete the delete the canvas called block name and create another canvas XX. Canvas name is XX canvas and set the properties: property palette, subclass information, property class name is canvas, and we have to set the window for the canvas. We have set the window for the canvas. After that, once again come back to the window, right click on the window, property palette, set the primary canvas is XX canvas. That's it, and make the and give the subclass information is window. That's it, and go to the program units. Go to the program units, app custom package body. Here we have to remove your first window and we have to set XX window or window name. First of all, save the form. XX employee info. This is our form. Then after that go to the triggers, click the preform trigger, double click the preform trigger. Here we have to set block name, window position. We have to, instead of block name we have to set our window. By default window will be available block name window. We need to remove that and we need to set our window name. XX window is our window name. That's it. We need not to set when new form instance, and right click on the template. It is nothing but right click on the template and set first navigation data block is. We didn't create any data block so far, that is why it is not showing. So go to the data block, delete detail block and delete block name too, and create our own block. We are going to create manually. Right click, property palette on the block, subclass information is block, and give the properties XX employee info, and this is our block. Right click on the block, layout editor, select the canvas, OK, create two buttons, and another button too. Set the button properties, open self-service page. ID column shouldn't be like this, or you can say that click. Set the property subclass information is nothing but button. This is it, and we have to give the label. What is the label? Open self-service page. That's it. And after that we need to set the property palette for this exit button. This is exit button. Property is button. Give the button label exit. That's it, and write the smart triggers. Right click on the button, smart trigger when button pressed. We are writing the code for the exit button. Do key exit _form, compile it, save it, and after that we need to write the code for the self-service page. Whenever the user will enter the data into these text fields called employee number, employee name, company designation, location and mobile number, he will enter the data into these fields and he will click open self-service page button. It will give some action, it will fire some action. What is the action it will fire? When button press trigger, we have to write this action. Yeah, that action we need to write here. This is the code we are writing to handle the event when the button pressed. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, that's it. And we have to register this page. Go to the responsibility, Shashi. This is our form. Employee number 10, employee name Shashi, company Oracle India, designation techno functional, location Hyderabad, mobile number 944002435. Whenever the user enters the data like this, he will click this open self-service page button. It has to open the other self-service page. Right now we didn't create any self-service page. For that we need this functionality has to work now. For that we are going to create our self-service page. So let me create the self-service page first. Right click on the applications, new OAF workspace, form to OAF transition. This is the workspace we are going to create and it is available in this folder. XX Wipro Oracle apps PO Wipro web UI. It is available in this folder and this is the project name. What is the project name? Form to OAF transition. This is the project name. Click next. I am using demo instance. Apps. Click next. apps.aura.com. Give the URL, everything. Trace the connection. Next. Finish. Next. Locate the DBC file. It is available in Java top. Sorry, it is available in JDL home. Yeah, give the front end username. Operations. Welcome. PO. Purchasing operations. Click next. Click finish. Right click new. Video business components. AM. Create the AM first. Click OK. Click OK. Next. AM should be available in .server folder. So after that, give the application module name. Click next. Click next. Finish. Then develop the page. Page should be available in web UI folder. XX form to OAF transition page. OK. Give the properties. Give the region properties. This is main region. And give the AM definition. We have only one AM. We have selected that AM. Give the window title. XX form to OAF transition demo. Then create set new controller. XX form to OAF transition. Okay, we have to write the code in the process request method of this controller. We have created one controller here, xx form to OAF transition, and within this controller we have written this code. This code we have written. Yeah, save this page, or otherwise we load this page into the server. Yes, let me show it. Move to the application developer responsibility, form, yeah, this is the form we have created for this, and after that create the function. What function we need to create? This should be the function name, and should be the must should be the function name should be like this. Come back and create the function name like this. This is the function name. Give select type, property type is self-service web application. Form, don't give anything. Here you have to give the HTML call and attach this form to this page to menu. Here we have attached this page. Move to the responsibility, check the page. This is the page and this is the form. User will enter employee number 555, Shashi, company is Arkell, techno functional, Hyderabad. User will enter the data here and he will click the open self-service page button. Data has to transfer from page to the form to the page. This is it. Whatever the user has entered the data, that has to transfer from that form to the page. This is it. And for this we have written code. What code we have written? We wrote the code for the button. When the button pressed, what action it has to perform. Yeah, when the button pressed, we have written in small triggers. When button press trigger, it will call fnd function dot execute. Function name is, this is the function name is, this is nothing but what we have written. Yeah, this is nothing but the function name. When we are registering that page is there na, that page function name, this is the function name. Open block should be yes and session block should be yes. Other parameters, what are the parameters we are going to pass now? That parameter we have to give here. And for the first parameter we need not to give any ampersand. For the second parameter, third parameter, and rest of all the parameters we need to give ampersand. This is a JSP syntax, we need to follow this. That's it, and run the form, check the output. Thanks for watching this.